Hello, this is another in our series of short training videos. And what we're going to look at today is how to print out a floor plan without any legends or any colors or any fancy borders or anything like that. Just a nice generic floor plan that you could, scribble on or, or do something else with. We're going to go to our building list and we are going to go to Durham Hall and we're going to go to our floor plans. And we just landed on Durham first floor, so we'll just choose this one. And you see it's already got some colors here because we've got a organizational query going on. If we can click on category, we get a different set of colors and legend and so forth. But over here we have like no query. If we click on that, we get no queries, no legend. And then once we've got this, we can go to print it out. So just go up to our printer icon. And here's our printing dialog, and it has various options. And we don't want a legend because there is no legend to display, but at the same time, we don't need a template for the legend either. So just leave that blank. We're not going to need a title because the title will already be on the floor plan as it's shown in the drawing. And then we're going to do a custom selection for our view. Click custom, and then this button comes available. And I select that, and up here the instruction says to set a print area, click and hold, drag and release your mouse button to define a rectangle. So I'm just going to pan over here just a bit, and I'm going to press my mouse down and include our title at the bottom, and then release the mouse button. And we're not going to see a title with the legend, but it doesn't matter. What we want to do here is look at our other options. We can suppress non-query text layers, which would be, if I clicked spaces, then we would not see the room numbers, but we do want to see the room numbers. So our other option over here is suppress polyline layers. So if you've got some spaces you don't want to see the polylines for, you could suppress those as well. But if you've got cubicles or spaces within spaces, you might want to keep that one unselected. And now we're just going to go to our print option. That generates our PDF file. We'll come up here and take a look. And here is our printout. This is our PDF. It's got the small logo in the corner. We could probably make that a bit larger, but there you have it. Thank you.